Come here, Chris. Thank you. It is for baby brother. Look it. I mean, this used to be yours. You used to sit in that. It's getting real, guys. Pulling out the car seat, the infant car seat. I'm gonna be washing the insert and have it all clean and ready for him, and then I think we're gonna put it in the car. No, it's for baby brother. Oh my gosh, this is so our future. Her in the middle of everything that is the babies. Are you excited for baby brother, Emerson? Are you excited for him? Huh? Oh. Oh gosh, I don't even like it. It's scary. You found him.
Is that scary?
I found him.
You found him. Good job. Let's get one. Try it, and if we need another one, come back and get another one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah. Look at you being a big girl. This is Emerson's lunch. Technically, she had a whole bunch of samples at Costco, so she's probably not super hungry, but I wanted to give her something just before she goes down for a nap just to make sure she's not hungry. So hopefully she sleeps for a long time. What are you eating? You're eating food. What's this right here? Avocado. And what's this right here? Strawberries. Strawberries. Good girl. I am going to go put some stuff in the laundry and then just straighten up the kitchen a little bit, eat myself some lunch, and then I have a few errands I'm going to run while Emerson is down for her nap. This is my current laundry room situation. It's not looking too good. These, I believe, are dirty. Those are clean from before we went on vacation. And then this. This is Emerson's car seat cover, or not cover, but the seat. And then that's baby boy's. I have got to wash these. Okay, so Emerson's car seat stinks to high heaven because when we were on vacation on our way home, she spilled milk in her car seat. And I don't think we realized it. Like, we knew it when it happened, but we kind of forgot about it, and we didn't realize it until yesterday and today, and it's just awful. So I've got to stick this in the washing machine. Please get off of it. Look at this. This is so gross. I shouldn't even show you that. It's so bad. That's a French fry. So that's going to get nice and clean so we don't have to deal with stinky car anymore. And Emerson also, every time we would put her in the car seat, would come out smelling kind of rank. Are you being mom's helper?
It's a kitty.
She calls the lint kitty.
It's a kitty.
You want the kitty? Here.
Okay.
All right. Okay, can mom have this piece? Thank you. All right, and can you get off of baby brother's car seat? Thank you. I'm gonna just wash it in there with Emerson's and hope it comes out okay. Oh gosh. Emerson smells like cat pee. That's how bad it is. Probably gonna get some comments about me washing these two together, but if it doesn't come out smelling super good, I'll just wash this one separately. I am making myself a quick lunch of just some salad. This is the salad that I'm making. We get this from Costco, Mediterranean Crunch Chopped Salad Kit. It's got balsamic vinaigrette and feta cheese, and it's like really, really tasty. Andrew and I had this the other night with chicken on top of it. But I'm just gonna have like this light lunch because we are actually going to dinner It's 2:11, which is kind of late to be eating lunch, but we're gonna be going to dinner with Andrew's sister, so my sister-in-law and her little baby tonight. So I just wanted to get something really quick, but kind of healthy at the same time for lunch. Oh shoot. Okay, so I was going to pop on here and give you guys an update, but I just remembered something hilarious and also terrifying at the same time. I am on my way right now to get my nails done. I never do this. I love having my nails done, but I just can't justify paying all that money every 2 weeks to keep them up. But since I am so severely pregnant and feel just not really very cute and put together right now, I thought that this would be a good time to treat myself, and also I want to have my nails ready for when baby boy gets here. But I just remembered, because I'm gonna get a pedicure, I just remembered that I forgot to shave my legs, which I've heard you're not technically supposed to, because you can get like infections, which sounds gross, but I would never want to do that to somebody and not shave my legs, and here I am. I totally forgot to shave my legs, and I'm getting a pedicure, and I'm gonna do it anyways. Sorry. Whew, that's pretty funny. I just realized that. I also wanted to get on here and give you guys an update of what we've been up to this morning. So this morning I woke up kind of late. I had such a rough day yesterday that I was just like, I'm gonna sleep in. And Andrew got up with me and it was great. I started my day with a fresh smoothie. It just had berries and a banana, a date, spinach, healthy stuff. So I started off with a healthy smoothie, got a video uploaded, and then Andrew was like on this organization kick, and I don't know if it's just he could tell that it was really stressing me out that our house was so disorganized, or he just couldn't handle it himself. But either way, that is the way to my heart, is when a man wants to organize my house. So he helped me organize a whole bunch of stuff. We cleaned up, we knocked stuff out, and then we went to Costco. I'll show you guys a little bit later. He is going to organize the storage room out on the balcony. So we'll have a little bit more room to store some things out there. So that will be great. It was a fun little trip to Costco, and we had a whole bunch of samples. And then we came home. I had a salad for lunch and fed Emmy a little snack, threw some things in the laundry, and now I'm getting my nails done. So it is turning out to be a pretty good day so far. That was the best experience ever. I am used to going to really crummy nail salons in Virginia, and I have not been yet since we have moved to Charleston, and that was awesome. I loved the place I went to. I loved the people who did my manicure and pedicure. I'm happy. Got white S&S for the first time ever, and I'm so happy with it. I love how it turned out. He put tips on first and then did it's also called dip. And I'm so in love with it. We'll see how long it lasts. I've heard mixed reviews on how long this lasts as opposed to like acrylics, but I'm really, really happy with them. I literally just reparked the car because there were too many people walking around and cars, like people just sitting in their cars, for me to feel comfortable filming. Still not quite comfortable with the whole filming in front of people thing, just because people don't understand. Like, I'm not that prideful. People just look at you like, what are you doing? Maybe I am that prideful, I don't know. Okay, so, update. I just am in love with these nails. I have not had my nails done in such a long time, so I can't stop looking at them. I'm very happy. Worth every stinking penny, every hard-earned penny. Seriously, was so worth it. Felt great to have my legs rubbed down and just feel a little bit more put together and pampered. But an update on the whole leg shave situation. So of course I get the young guy, like the young put together guy, to do my pedicure. And I was like, oh shoot, I've got to say something about my hairy legs. So I said, dude, I'm really sorry, but I forgot to shave my legs. and then he just kind of like awkwardly chuckled, and the person who was doing my manicure jumped in and was like, oh no, 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 you never want to shave your legs right before a pedicure because something about infections sounds disgusting to me. But still at the same time, I can't help but feel guilty because no one needs to feel this. No one. Now all I need is to go home and have Andrew give me a back massage. Good morning. Good morning, baby. Did you sleep good? Did you sleep good? Good. You want Dad to get you out? Oh. Jack McStuffins. Hey, you want to go to dinner with Auntie Joy and Cousin Eli? Okay. Alright, let's put your clothes on. Let's go. You woke up just in time. Good job. Did Mom have a hug? Oh, thank you, baby. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss?
Oh!
Can I have a kiss?
Give me a kiss.
Thank you. I do not know what has gotten into Andrew, but he has cleaned this whole house. It's a beautiful, beautiful sight. I put Emmy in the bathtub and I came out to this house spotless. That is the weight of my heart right there. Seriously, you could not see this floor before I put Emmy in the bathtub, and now it is clean. Beautiful sight. Gosh, it feels so real. It's hard to believe that there's gonna be a baby in here in just 3 weeks or less. I cannot believe it. This was Emmy's car seat when she was brought home from the hospital. Excuse me, are you helping yourself? So calm about it.
So close.
Do you need help, babe?
Okay.
You're so cute. Here, baby. Oh, she did it. What do you got?
A cookie.
Wow. Aren't you lucky? Oh, that looks yummy. Do you want some of my milkshake?
Mm-mm.
That's probably enough ice cream, right?
Yeah.
Maybe a little more, because I'm sharing it with Emerson, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Right. This is how
I'd do low.
that was high.
Emerson, your mom's got issues.
I don't know what I'm doing at all.
Maybe a little more milk.
Is I'm even in it?
Yeah. She's in the corner eating cookies.
Oh, that looks good. We're ending our night with milkshakes. And someone's gonna go to bed, huh?
Okay.
Okay, I'll give you a bite in just a second. All right, we're gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like it if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe because we're doing baby watch here. As far as how I am feeling with this pregnancy at this point, today was a much better day. I don't know what the difference was, but it's definitely been a much better day. I'm feeling really good. I had a lot of energy, so. But other than that, not much has changed. I've still had a lot of Braxton Hicks. But yeah, not really much has changed. But I'll keep you updated for sure. Make sure you're following us on Make sure you're following us on okay, I'll give you a bite. Make sure you're following us on Instagram at allie_gooch, because that's where I will let you guys know for sure when I start to go into labor. So, love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.